Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a Gucci GG Ophidia shoulder to show you today, and I love this kind of dome shape. It's really cool. So we've got this GG monogram coated canvas, and then we have one adjustable strap. So we've got it on the longest setting at the minute, so you can see we've got quite a few more settings to make it shorter if you like. And then we've got zip top closure with these double GG zip pulls. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside here, and I love the colour of this lining. It's like a really deep kind of sea blue satin lining. It's gorgeous in there. So we've got one flat pocket at the back, and just on that flat pocket you can see we've got that little Gucci tag with, hopefully I'll be able to get it so you can see it on the camera. You can see there that serial code. And then on the opposite side we've got another two flat pockets, so one here and one here too. The condition of this Gucci, we have called the exterior and the hardware excellent. There's no kind of marks or anything for me like that, for me to show you. You can see it's kept that shape beautifully, and those corners are all still lovely as well, showing no signs of wear. That base has got no marks or anything like that on it. It's just stunning, and you can see that gold tone has stayed perfect on all of that hardware. It just shines really nicely. The interior we have called very good, and that is because, again, it's almost pristine in there, but there is just a couple of marks. Hopefully be able to see, get that in the light so you can see it on that flat pocket there, just a little bit of a mark on that satin lining. So that is why I've called the interior very good, because other than that, it is in a stunning, pristine condition. So I'll show you what it comes with. We've got, pop the bag down here. We have the little Gucci control card, and then we also have Gucci dust bag as well. So if you'd like the exact measurements for this Ophidia shoulder, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact Gucci on our website, so ArmcandyBagCo.com. If that link doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. It's gorgeous, it's really cool, so I'm expecting it to sell quickly. But if it has sold and it was one that you were looking out for, just let us know and we can pop you on our request list. All you have to do is send us over an email, or you can fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll pop you on that request list. And that applies to anything that you have in mind as well. Any requests that you have, just let us know and we'll get you on that list. So that's the request list. Exact measurements again will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So you can have it as a shoulder like this, or because we've got the strap quite long as well at the minute, it sits really nicely as a crossbody as well. And I love the Gucci Ophidia bags. I think they've just got that really kind of casual, cool girl look. Yeah, they're very kind of everyday, you can use it every day, and it's a lovely shape as well. Casual and practical, but still very cool as well. So that is all the features of the bag. Again, if you'd like more details on it, or you'd like the link to shop, go to the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter and keep yourself updated on all the beautiful arm candy that we're getting in each week. And we will also send you through your welcome discount code when you sign up to our newsletter, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page while you're on our website. All the details about the process of selling with ArmcandyBagCo are on that page, so have a read through there. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces of arm candy like this one that we have to show you. And we will be back very soon with some more.